How to withdraw Bitcoin to a bank account. Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to withdraw Bitcoin to a bank account. First, open the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. This is the homepage of the app. Here you will see various options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, tap on the bank option. It is this option here at the bottom left corner of the screen. This is the money section of Cash App. Here, various options are related to money. Next, make sure you scroll down and come to this section. From the options that are here, the one we need is this one here named Bitcoin. Normally, you can't transfer Bitcoin directly to your bank account because it is crypto, and it can be transferred to a crypto wallet address. So what you have to do is sell the Bitcoin and then transfer the money to your bank account. Okay, let us proceed. On this page, there are various options that you can use. From them, tap the sell icon here. Somewhere look for an option to choose the amount you would like to sell. After entering the amount, you will see this page where you are supposed to confirm your action. So go ahead and tap here to confirm. The money will then be added to your TikTok balance. Next, you have to move the money from Cash App to your bank account. To do that, come back to the bank page where there are various options. Among them, make sure you tap this one here named Cash Out. Then proceed with the rest of the tutorial as it is the same. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to withdraw Bitcoin to a bank account.